Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Kelly Rose. And we're up at 5:28. We're trying to get this out. Okay, that 20 warning did expire. Right. If you are in this red, you need to be very weather aware today. This is a tornado-driven moderate risk. I'm talking fast because we got a lot to go through today. If you're in this red blob, you got to be weather aware. This is a 4 on the weather scale. This is a 3, this is a 2, and this is a 1. Now, can they issue a high risk for today? If they do, which probably not, it will be right here for the potential of very deadly tornadoes. However, I do think they'll do that. Reasoning is something right here just tells me ain't no way that strong tornado is going to be there. Alright, let's get right into the tornado outlook because we got a lot to do. And now, there's a moderate risk of severe weather across portions of the mid-Mississippi Valley. An outbreak of severe weather is expected from the lower Mississippi Valley toward the lower Ohio Valley Friday afternoon and evening. Tornadoes strong to potentially intense as well as damaging winds and hail are expected. Tornado outbreak possible across portions of mid-Mississippi Valley Friday evening. I have not seen that in a long time. Let's take a look at your outlook here. So right there, that's your 10%, 15% tornado risk. If you're in there, you want to watch this system here. Alright, let's get right in to your tornado risks here on Radar Omega. Alright, if you are in this black, you need to stay weather aware. We have a 15% chance, a 10% hatch. And if you are in the red, you have a 15% hatched for tornadoes. I thought it was worth talking about, and we are right. We will be live around 5 o'clock to cover somewhere along 5 and 5:30. I'll just make it probably like 5:15, something like that, because I really don't want to live stream a long time, but I will live stream as long as needed. Alright, we gotta move on because I'm on a time crunch today. I've got a lot to do in a very short time. Alright, let's take a look at your cape. As we go through the day, this is what your cape will look like. At 23Z, when we can see 1 or 2 very strong to violent tornadoes at the time. Your cape values are going to be lower 3000s, rounding it up from 2998. And your photograph curls like this, so that's amazing. Alright, let's take a look at your significant tornado parameter, and we'll take a look at supercell composite. I'm on a literal time crunch, so I gotta hurry through this. So at 23Z, we're not seeing as intense as we once were. I tried making a video yesterday, however, everything wanted to break. I live streamed, this happened, so. Alright, let's take a look here at your simulated radar, because I ain't got time. Here's what it looks like at 23Z, and I can tell we got a lot of prefrontals here, which is the key on this. And we have this, little line here, which may be what produces these large tornadoes today. Alright, everyone, that is going to do it, because I've got a lot to get done, and No, that video is 4 minutes. I'm fine. I am actually fine. We're gonna talk about some more stuff here. I guess we'll hit the wind thread up real quick while I drink my morning coffee. Oh, that's strong. But alright, if you are in this red, you are in a 15? No, 30%, which is enhanced for wind. And if you're in black, you get Z hurricane force winds. Literally, Little Rock, you're safe. Little Rock, you're good. I don't think you'll see 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Alright, let's take a look at your hail. I'm at least going to make this video 6 minutes. Your hail, I think with the helicity, we'd have maybe a little more hail in this area. But nah. We'll have our original state up after today. So you ain't gotta worry about anything. We'll have our warning, we'll have live coverage, or we'll have whatever we put down there today. I don't know which one I'm actually gonna put. However, we will be using GR2 Analyst, which I'm gonna get up. Ready? Alright, let's take a look at, because I can, dew point, so we can see, you know, that little frontal thing. Right now, your front is situated somewhere along here. I don't know. It's confusing because I see this, and I'm like, that's your front. But that could also be your front. I'll see. Okay, your blue, your green leads up to the front, so there's your front, and it has already swept past you. Alright, let's go into Supercell Composite, because I did not do that. I like how it wants to underplay, but still not underplay. Alright, your kick values at 2500, rounding from to 410. Photograph, do be that. Critical angle 53, not good, not bad situation. I don't think we'll see that strong of a tornado here. And I have officially gotten something stemmed. Alright, your green is your temperature, and this is your dew point. Right there is your cap. Right there is your cape. Temperature change over height. I said that right, finally! You guys don't know how many times I've tried to say that and fail. Alright, that is going to wrap it up for today. Stay weather aware if you are in any of these areas we're mentioning here, because we are wrapping up today's video. If you are in the towns of Memphis, Tennessee, Collierville, Tennessee, you need to be on high alert. South Haven, Hernando, Oxford, Pontotoc, New Albany, Clarksdale, Cleveland, Greenville, Indiana, Indianola, Greenwood, Winona, Grinda, Canton, Ridgeland, Vicksburg, Mississippi, you need to be on extra weather aware. DeWitt, Pine Bluff, Warren, Monticello, McGehee, Cross at El Dorado, Forest City, you need to be on extra high alert. You have a moderate risk. Bastrop, Monroe, Reston, Winnsboro, Arkansas, you need to be on high alert. You have a 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. If you go follow my Twitter now, handle on your top right now, or not, it'll be in the description. You can get live up-to-date information as well. We'll put it on the community post, so subscribe. And that is going to wrap it up because I got a lot to do today. Peace.